Hello guys, welcome to GurusHub. Today, July 11, I will be showing you your daily combo cards to unlock your 5 million token coin. Okay, here we go. Right now, you should go to your mine menu. First, you will be getting a new card from Web3. So if you haven't upgraded your Web3, you should. Here you can just navigate to Web3 and get this card, vesting smart contracts. So our first card for today. Alright, our second card for today should be on PR1 team, which is Coin Telegraph. And our third card today is going to be on specials, which is YouTube Gold Buffing. So you should scroll down to the specials and locate YouTube Gold Buffing. Here we go. Here. Right. So I've got my 5 million token. So you should try to get yours. And please leave a comment, like, so YouTube can recommend my channel. Please subscribe. It will help me a lot to get to more people who actually need it, because I will provide you more videos according to your wish. You should leave a comment below. Thank you guys for coming. Alright, this is my reward and this is how I get it. Actually, I have a video for this if you actually want to watch it, on how I claim mine so quick, because I know many of you guys keep tapping and never finished. So you can see I've taken all the 6 out of 6. Just because it's a trick that you guys don't actually know. Not everyone knows this, so you should stay tuned on my channel every time I update, and you should leave a comment in order to find what you are actually looking for, to avoid stress and much search. Thank you.